Hey, what's up, bro? It's your friend Bill Oxidean here on this bright Sunday morning. What I've got here for you is a new project on my hands. As you see, this here is the Animal Twin Cat in all its shiny, beautiful, strong, slick and sleek prowess. We're going to take this here Animal Twin Cat, we're going to put some oxy drives on it. We're going to use this orange water line because the customer really wants it to match his full-size toys. We got a little trick we got up our sleeves. See this here animal right here? It's just a Holland hardware. Because what we're going to do is we're going to dissect the power system out of this Magnum 44. Oh yes, we are. We're going to dissect the power system out of this Magnum 44 because we are going to then put these motors from Hobbywing and Hobbywing ESCs in the black Magnum, so it'll be all beautiful and black. But that's a whole different project. We're focusing on this Animal Twin Cat. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get started, shall we? Hi there, I'm Bill Oxidean. I raced radio control model boats for over 25 years. Over that time, I won a lot of races and broke a lot of records, and I learned a lot, not just about boats, but about life. Eventually, I graduated to full-size drag boats, and I've had a great time doing that. Now, I have my own RC boat factory. We make the world's fastest, most reliable radio control boats. Join us as we show you all about it. And here we are starting with this designated Holland hardware. This thing is designated to be a Holland hardware. Look at our double thick motor mounts. Look how clean everything is built inside of the Animal Twin Cat. The way it is here, you can see it as a Holland hardware. We take time, care, and precision in what we do. That's why our boats are the best. We have professionals building them. We don't just have professional engineers. We have professionals actually building the boats. You've got me building boats. And I'm American and I'm awesome. This one was set up for 180s. I like that it's got this neat engraved plate here. We're gonna cut this tray right here and right here. We're gonna cut this tray here and right here. We're gonna remove all this front part. And we're gonna put the two 8S ESCs here. But first, let's harvest the power system. One system harvested, and power system 2 harvested. Time to cut the tray. Made the cut. Nice cut. Not perfectly clean, so I'm gonna come in with a file. Straighten that little area out. I don't have to, you know what I mean? But this customer is really cool, dude. He doesn't trip, man. He just throws the dough out down. This is Bill. Make me awesome. Now ask yourself, is that other place back east that sells RC boats and parts? Are you ever going to see the owner sit up here with a file and precision fabricate stuff like this and get things right? Then why would you buy boats there? They don't even run RC boats. Well, it's just a mock-up, mate, but it's going to look great. I'm using a heat gun to remove these bungs. I remove the one on the other side. It's pretty clean too. Remove the bungs, clean the area up, cut the tray clean. Keep it professional. We separated ESC mounting plates from the ESCs. Now let's go ahead and install the systems into the boat. Wow. These motors in the ESC sure do look good in here. I'm gonna have to give them that. Next, we install these doggone Oxy drives. Now, this Oxy drive install came out good. This Oxy drive install came out real nice. This is probably the best Oxy drive install I've done yet. I mean, everything just came together so precise. We used all the best parts. We came up with this stainless steel pin right here because this pin was breaking and flex. Decided to put a steel one to stiffen up the drivetrain. Yes, indeed. Excellent coupler spacing. Right on. Now we've got the steering all set up. Push-pull cable. You know, I went ahead and included some boots for this guy. This looks real nice, and I like the way the blue and gold all matches. Got these water pickups installed at the correct height. Also tightened up everything in the drives. Got the plumbing on done, and I must say this does look nice. What's more important to me is I hope the customer's very happy with it. Now we've got his Quasar radio all set up. GPS installed, receiver ballooned and installed. This boat is ready to run. Last but not least, I'm gonna foam this thing up. Yep, we're gonna stuff this thing with 2-part expanding foam. We got the foam inside the hull, and we got foam inside the hatch. This thing is gonna be one solid boat. The foam rides a little higher on one side. It's really difficult to get it perfectly even, but we can grab a little bit out of there and make it more even. In fact, that's what we're gonna do. And it makes it so the customer can slide his batteries a little more forward. Now she's all set up. Beautiful as can be. 1650 kV motors. 8S ESCs. So rad. Everything looks so beautiful in here. I love the blue. I love the blue and gold. And the orange corresponds well with it. I'll tell you what, our proprietary 1650 kV motors absolutely rip. You can tell a lot of it by the magnet tug. When you turn the prop, hear how it sounds real thuddy? Thump, 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 real hard. Both sides hit real hard. That's because the magnets are really strong. One of the main components of a brushless motor is the rotor. The rotor is a magnet that's a lot of times centered together, and the stronger the magnet, the more the electronic field is going to be. Yeah, we did this man clean. We did this man clean. And this is his second elaborate boat he's bought from us. He bought a Magnum 44, and we actually delivered it in person. And we prefer doing that if a person is local or even within 300 miles of us. We'll deliver these boats in person because that eliminates any chance of damage in the mail. And plus, I got nothing to hide. You know what I mean? I'm not hiding from these people. If they want to meet the person that built this boat, more power to them. I'm there to do it. And this about wrap this up, mine. Quasar Dom. No graphics. Plain and sleek in black. A genuine Oxidean Marine Quasar radio. And this is just an example of what you get when you order Oxidean custom boat. I go through this thing and make it right for you, make it turnkey. If you like what you've seen in this video, subscribe to our channel. Smash that like button, and by all means, continue enjoying radio-controlled model boating. Bill Oxidean, the Quasar Animal, and Fluffy the Cat, over and out.